Hi, this is USDCAD and today it's Wednesday, 14th of August 2013 and the time is 14:17 GMT. We are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair and we are using Ichimoku Kinko Hio. We had an upward move of the pair, but now things look bearish, and in terms of candlestick formations, we have this very strong candlestick formation, which is double top, lower close. Let me magnify this a bit for you to see. This is a very strong candlestick formation. Double top, common top on these two candlesticks, the bullish and the bearish one, and lower close. Okay, and right after that we have a bearish candlestick, big bearish move, bearish sentiment in the market. So let me put it back to the okay. So when you zoom out, you have a better picture of the market. Okay, we will enter short sell at 1.0330 or higher, and we will pick the exact entry point using M1 time frame if everything looks 100% bearish on all time frames up to H4. Okay, so we see that the price was attracted, we had the bearish Kumo breakout, price was attracted by the flat bottom Kumo. I told you that flat top and flat bottom Kumos are magnets, they attract the price, and now it's released again and it wants to fall down. So let's go to the biases are all bearish here on the H4 time frame. Although Chikou span is not yet below the Kumo, it goes straight down below past price action, but it's not yet below the Kumo. Let's go to H1 time frame. On H1 time frame, we see that things are not exactly bearish yet. We don't have a bearish Kumo breakout yet. Chikou span is inside the Kumo. It's trying to go below past price action, but it hasn't made it yet, and we want to make sure that everything is 100% bearish before we enter, even if we have to wait a bit more. Okay, on the M30 we see that we are about to see a bearish Kumo breakout here, but unfortunately the candlestick we're looking at is bullish and it's moving inside the Kumo yet, so we will wait. We want it to go down below the Kumo to give a bearish Kumo breakout. We want Chikou span and not only below past price action but also below the Kumo preferably. It will take a couple of candlesticks to see that. But if it goes straight down, it will be enough, and if price goes below the Kumo, it will be perfect. Okay, wait for these conditions to be met. On M15, we had a bearish Kumo breakout, but price is making some upward move, and we see Chikou span going up. We want it to go straight down. It's where we want it to be, below the Kumo, far below past price action, but we want it to go straight down. Okay, so wait to see the conditions met. It's not a joke. If they are not met, stay out. So M5, everything looks bearish. We have a bearish Kumo breakout quite a bit some hours ago here, and we see that Chikou span is on an upward move now. We want it to go straight down below past price action. It is below past price action. It is far below the Kumo, but we want it to go straight down. When we see it straight down, we will enter, but we will pick our entry exactly from M1 time frame. So if we see a bearish Kumo breakout here, which we don't see now, we see price being above the Kumo, we had a bullish Kumo breakout a few minutes ago, but here things change in every minute. So you should wait till you see a bearish Kumo breakout here, Chiku span going straight down here below past price action and below the Kumo here, and if you see this happening, you enter short. If you don't see this happening, forget about it, don't do anything at all. Okay, so these are the conditions, and how we trail our stop. We go to H1 time frame, and if we enter short here, then the price will go lower, will make lower lows, lower highs. It will go down, make a lower low, then a lower high, then a new lower low. When it makes a new lower low, we will trail our stop from here 30 to 50 pips above the lower high, somewhere here hypothetically. Okay, now we monitor the trade from H4 time frame, but we set our take profit target from H1 time frame. Why? Because it is not very small one, so we don't expect very small profits, and it's not a very big one where we expect big profits, but we have big risks. So it's a medium time frame, which is ideal to use as our take profit target, playing with the Kumo breakouts. So since we are practically entering on a bearish Kumo breakout on the H1 time frame, it hasn't happened yet. We want it to happen. We want price to go here. Okay, so since we enter practically during an H1 Kumo breakout, bearish Kumo breakout, we should expect to set our take profit target to exit when a bullish Kumo breakout happens on the same time frame. Okay, so I recap. Monitor your trade from H4 time frame, place your stop 100 pips above your entry at a safe place, you see, and trail your stop using H1 time frame and trailing it a few pips above its new lower high, sorry, and take profit target using the H1 time frame. We enter on bearish Kumo breakout, we exit on bullish Kumo breakout. Thanks for watching and happy pips.